the reason why I'm asking you is because my true belief, this is just what I believe, my personal opinion, but I truly believe that Elon Musk is the reincarnation of Tesla, you know?
Nikola Tesla?
Yeah.
Huh.
That's
Why?
my personal belief because
Why?
so Nikola Tesla, he tried to give us everything for free, like the free energy, free, you know what I mean? Like all that stuff. And he discovered all these secrets. But then what happened? You know, he got bankrupted because they tried to put a patent on the electricity, on the lines and the poles and stuff. So to me, now Elon Musk is Tesla, but he's getting his money. He's still doing a lot for us. Like you see all the stuff he's doing for us. Like you know what I mean? But it doesn't have to be free. It kind of like it's like his upgraded self now. But like, look, he's getting his money now. You know what I mean? He does what he needs to do, but he's still giving a lot to the community, and he's you know what I mean? He still does a lot. So I kind of see like, you know, it's kind of like a learning curve for him.
Very interesting. Very interesting perspective.